Hi everyone, Mike from North52 here. In today's video, we're going to add a North52 quick button to a form that is used by the portal. We will then demo this quick button working with a North52 formula to affect the portal's form. Note that it is presumed you have Microsoft Portal installed in your environment and that you have working knowledge of North52's Decision Tables. If you do not, please see the links below for instructions on how to set these up. The formula we will use is this one. This formula runs off the case entity, and you can see that it's set up that if the customer field of a case contains data and if the customer type is set to account, this formula will retrieve the address information from that account and copy it to the beginning of the case's description field here. If the customer field is not set to an account, then it will display an error message saying that there is no parent account to bring the information from. We will trigger this formula using a quick button, so we will take note of the formula shortcode here. So now let's add the quick button to the portal form that will trigger this formula. Open the case portal form while signed in with an account that has edit access. You should see the edit options along the form like so. And for this video, we will add the button above the title field here, so we'll click the edit button here. This opens up the editor, and now we click on the source icon to switch it to the HTML editor mode. We then paste in the HTML for this quick button. Please see below this video for this HTML. And note that the data N52 button here is equal to our formula shortcode from before. You will need to replace this with your own shortcode. Once added, we click OK and then the save icon. The quick button has been added, so now let's test it. Refresh the page and you should see the quick button like this. When we click the button here, the description is filled with the account's address. And then when I remove the customer like so, and then I push the button again, we get the message as expected. This has been a North52 video. If you liked it, you can see more videos or read our knowledge base articles at support.north52.com.